The trip was full of fun and happiness for all the students. Every moment brought new surprises and exciting experiences. Friendships became stronger as they spent time together. They created many beautiful and unforgettable memories. It was a journey they would always remember in their lives. Hello, friends. Welcome back to another slow and simple English story for beginners. Today's story is about a college trip to the northern areas, where something unexpected happens. There's fun, friendship, comedy, and a little love story too. So listen carefully and improve your English step by step. If you enjoy this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Now, let's begin. It was a beautiful morning in Lakeside College, Islamabad. The students were very excited because today they were going on a trip. Boys and girls were selected for the journey. Their destination was the breathtaking Skardu Valley and Hunza Valley in the northern areas. The college bus arrived. Everyone started boarding the bus. The bus started moving. Mountains were getting higher. Rivers were flowing beside the road, and clouds were touching the hills. Everyone was enjoying the view. Noah said, "This looks like a movie scene." Ava smiled and said, "Yes, it is more beautiful than I imagined." Lucas was quietly looking outside, but Ethan was doing something funny. He was eating snacks secretly. Everyone laughed. During the journey, something small happened. Emma dropped her water bottle. Lucas quickly picked it up and gave it back. Their eyes met for a moment. Emma said softly, "Thank you." Lucas replied, "You're welcome." It was a small moment, but something started in their hearts. After a few hours, the bus stopped at Babeezer Top Viewpoint. Everyone came out for pictures. Ethan tried to take a cool photo, but he slipped on a stone. He didn't fall fully, but his pose became very funny. Everyone laughed loudly. Even the teacher smiled and said, "Ethan, you're always a problem." Ethan replied, "But I am a funny problem." They reached Skardu Valley. Snow mountains, cold wind, blue lakes, everything was magical. Ava said, "This place is like heaven." Lucas looked at Ava and smiled. They all took pictures at Shangri-La Resort Lake. The moment was peaceful and beautiful. At night, they stayed in a hotel near Hunza Valley. There was a bonfire outside. Everyone was sitting around the fire. Emma and Lucas sat next to each other. Emma said, "I feel shy in big groups." Lucas replied, "You don't need to be shy. You are very kind." Emma smiled. A soft love feeling started growing between them. Suddenly, Ethan shouted, "Guys, look at the sky." Everyone looked up. It was full of stars shining like diamonds. Ava said, "I have never seen such a sky in my life." Noah said, "This trip is unforgettable." Even the teacher said, This is the best college trip ever. Later at night, students played games. Some were telling funny stories. Some were singing songs. Ethan again tried to act like a mountain explorer and scared everyone with fake ghost stories. Everyone screamed, then laughed. It was a night full of fun and memories. And that was the story. A fun, emotional, and slightly romantic college trip to the northern areas, where friendships became stronger and a small love story began. If you want part 2 of this story, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment, part 2 please. See you in the next story. Goodbye and take care.